Hey guys, check this out. These Tom and Jerry style cartoons you're watching right now, they're completely made with AI, and the best part? I put them together without spending a single dollar. Zero budget, super easy, and honestly super fun once you get going. Now look at this channel that's killing it. 1 month ago, they uploaded a long video that racked up 5.8 million views. Another one around the same time hit 5.5 million. One from 4 weeks back is already at 1 million. With just 14 videos total, they've pulled in over 14 million views. How are they doing it? Straight AI, generating those classic chases, explosions, and hilarious moments using free tools. Let me play a quick clip so you can see it for yourself. So today, I'm showing you how to create even better Tom and Jerry style videos with completely free AI. No money needed, no complicated setup, just fast and solid results. I'm also breaking down exactly how to make high-quality thumbnails like the ones we've been using. Full step-by-step so you can get that click magnet look. And the coolest part? I put in a ton of work today and prepared complete ready-to-use prompts for you. Video prompts, thumbnail prompts, everything. You don't have to start from zero. Just drop a comment below, and I'll share all of them right in the replies or in the next video. Now here's the process. First, copy the main master prompt. Then open Grok, because it handles long prompts well these days. Paste the prompt and press enter. Within seconds, you'll get 15 titles. Read them, and whichever idea you like, just type its number in the prompt box. For example, if you like idea number 7, just type and press enter. You've done almost nothing. Everything is generated by the prompt and Grok. You only copied and pasted and typed the number. Now it will start generating the full story scenes, around 60 scenes, each scene in 2 to 2.5 lines. After generating the 60 scenes, Grok will ask if you want image prompts and motion prompts for the scenes. This is set up in a simple fill-in-the-blanks way. You just answer with short words and you'll get everything ready-made. Now all you have to do is type yes or continue. Or you can select the option that says Generate Prompts from Scene 1 to 3. As soon as you type Continue, it will start generating prompts. Now watch the size of these prompts. It's amazing. For Scene 1, you'll get a big detailed image prompt to create the image, and below it a motion prompt to animate it into a video. Then Scene 2, image prompt plus motion prompt. Scene 3, image prompt plus motion prompt. Then it pauses again. So you type Continue again, and it generates Scene 4 to 6, and so on. Repeat this until you generate image and motion prompts for all 60 scenes. Next step, create images from the image prompts. Copy your first scene's image prompt. Then go to Google and search ImageFX. You can also use Whisk. Both are free and both give good results. Paste your prompt, click Create, and your images will generate. Once Scene 1 images are ready, do the same for Scene 2, Scene 3, and all scenes. For example, the story we selected is about Tom and Jerry and the exploding cake. Like there is cake. In the first scene, Tom dreams about a cake. You can see we generated all images using Whisk, which is a free image generator AI tool. Now, after creating your images, we convert them into videos. For video creation, you can use Grok's Imagine feature, free. Click Imagine, upload your first image, then paste the motion prompt for Scene 1 and press Enter. Your video will start generating. You can also use Meta AI to create videos. Start a new chat, select Create Video, upload the image, paste the motion prompt, and press Animate. Sometimes the results won't be perfect on the first try. Maybe an object moves wrongly or extra characters appear. That's normal. Just regenerate the video and refine it. The more you retry, the better the output gets. Repeat the same process for all images, converting each into a short video clip. After that, open any video editor. Add all clips to the timeline. Set the correct sequence. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3. And add transition effects between clips. This is important. Then add sound effects. Many are already provided. And download background music from YouTube's audio library and add it to your video. Now let's talk about thumbnails. Go back to the prompt document. Under the master prompt, you'll find the thumbnail master prompt section. Copy it, paste it into Grok or ChatGPT. You'll see a place to enter your title. Copy your video title and paste it there, press enter, and it will generate 3 thumbnail prompts. Copy the first thumbnail image prompt and use ImageFX or Whisk to generate the thumbnail image. Do the same for the second and third. This way, you can create high-quality Tom and Jerry style AI videos from your phone for free, get millions of views, and earn strong income. But remember, if you want millions of views and real earnings, you must stay consistent and keep working hard. If you liked the video, make sure to like it and share it with your friends.
Oh no! Give me that cake! Not a chance! It's mine! Get away!
What in the world is going on here?